In this tutorial, we'll learn how to change the user language preference in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. I can change the default language to other languages when I'm working in Oracle FDI and Oracle Analytics Cloud. For example, as a workbook author, I want to change the language from English to my preferred language of French. I'll begin on my homepage, where I can see the user interface text, like section headings, menus, dialogs, and buttons, is currently set to English. I'll click my username icon and select Profile to specify my user preferences, such as language, locale, and if needed, currency. Here I'll choose French as the language, and I have the option of changing the locale. I'll leave currency as it is. Then I'll click Save and Close. My homepage does not change until I click Refresh on the browser. Now I can see what has changed. I notice that all the Oracle-delivered objects like user interaction buttons, filters, and pre-built content have been updated. So now if I create a new workbook, the pre-built subject areas are in French. And when I create a visualization, the automatically generated titles are translated as well. For example, the head count, year, and site name are all translated. After returning to my homepage, I'll click the navigator where I'll see all the options are translated to French. I'll go into the catalog and under my folders, I see a subfolder that I created. Workbook titles that have been user-defined are not translated. In comparison, when I go to Shared Folders, then to Oracle Pre-Built Content, the folders and the titles of the workbooks are translated because this was created by the system. A final but important note is that user-defined text in workbooks does not get translated, and column names from uploaded spreadsheets also do not get translated. Now that all of my pre-built content is translated, I can complete analysis in my preferred language. Find additional videos and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.